Welcome to Quick English Practice. English Grammar Quiz. Each question takes 10 seconds to answer. If you pass this test, your English is excellent. Let's get started. Good luck. They were playing football when it to rain. Right answer is C, began. The players as well as the coach, excited about the match. Right answer is B, were. Each of the students, a separate locker. Right answer is B, has. This is the same dress she wore yesterday. Right answer is A, that. I have a friend, speaks 5 languages. Right answer is B, who. They are capable, completing the task. Right answer is C, off. He is one of the students who always his homework on time. Right answer is A, submits. You must work hard if you want to succeed. Life. Right answer is B, in. The man who lives next door, a writer. Right answer is A, is. I have not made a decision yet. I'm still thinking it. Right answer is C, over. They asked me whether I'd to join the new project. Right answer is B, wanted. By the time the police arrived, the thief away. Right answer is C, had run. Despite very tired, she continued working late into the night. Right answer is A, being. The students were punished because the rules. Right answer is B, had broken. It was so cold that we leave the window open. Right answer is B, could not. She will be upset if we don't. Her invitation. Right answer is C, accept. We did not go out because it all day. Right answer is A, had rained. The train was delayed. Heavy fog. Right answer is A, due to. I don't know how she managed to finish the project. Time. Right answer is B, in. He promised that the work by Friday. Right answer is C, would complete. They stayed indoors because it heavily outside. Right answer is C, was raining. This is the best movie I seen. Right answer is A, have ever. The cake was divided 4 parts. Right answer is B, into. She always speaks, a low voice. Right answer is B, in. My house is the school. Right answer is C, near.